If you don't have any web camera, so don't worry. You use your smartphone as a webcam. How? Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hi, I'm Sanket, and in this video we discuss about how to use your smartphone as a webcam. So let's start the video. For using the smartphone as a webcam, you need to download the DroidCam application, and it's available for Windows as well as Android. So first we download this application in Windows. So open this link. Don't worry, I provide this link in description box. You can see here download DroidCam. It's totally free. So you can see here pre-download. So click on it and it's just add. You close it. And you can see here your download has started. It takes some time according to your net speed. You can see here it's download successfully. Now open it, and this is the setup. You simply click on next button. This is the license agreement. Click on I agree. This is the installation location where this application is installed. So set as default. Click next, and it's required total 22.7 MB space. This is the choose components, so set as default. Click on install. It's starting to installing and completing the setup. So you simply click on finish button. So now we download it for Windows. Now we download this application for Android. So go to our mobile screen and see how to download. Now open your Play Store and search for DroidCam, and you can see here this application. So you simply install it. This is the interface. Thank you for downloading DroidCam. You simply click on go it and allow the permission, and you can see here there are multiple connecting options. Which one is connect over the Wi-Fi, then USB, and last one is create a Wi-Fi server. But for the best experience and best performance, we create connect over the USB. So select this option, connect over the USB. Connect your USB to laptop, join it. Now you can click on refresh. And you can see here their device name are visible. You simply click on start button. So you can see here I use my smartphone as a webcam, just like this, and it's useful for attending the Zoom meetings, Google Meets, as well as creating the videos. So now how to this setup you connect with the OBS studio. So let's see. So this is my drive camera, so I minimize this. Now open your OBS. Now how to set up this for our OBS studio. So you simply click on this video capture device. So you're able to see this video capture device. Right click on it, go to properties, and here you select the device is known as DroidCam Source 2. Click on it, and you can see here it's work perfectly. So you simply click on OK. Now it's worked perfectly. So you also record this type video with the help of your mobile. This way you also use your smartphone as a webcam. I hope so this video is little helpful for you. So please leave a like and make sure to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Thanks for watching.